Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's take a look again in the gold market. Here's actually on euro currency, not too many things that we could say. This market mostly is watching for performance of the Jerome Powell, performance of Christine Lagarde that will be later in this session. So well, makes no big moves actually. So yesterday we were considering the reaction on the intraday resistance area of 1923. As you can see, this reaction has started, and since then we did not see any big changes. So let's take a look at on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's the level that we have mentioned. Trend has turned bearish here. As you can see, the market is forming some kind of the consolidation. The overall performance that we see here at this point, well, it's not perfectly bearish. So usually when we expect some more or less significant bounce or retracement, we prefer to see something of this kind. So when the retracement starts and market shows maybe not very strong action as here, but slowly gradual downside action, even as you could see inside of the channel. But right now you can see that it's mostly some kind of the flat standing. So it seems that market just touched this level, feels some minor pressure and shows the response on the resistance. But sentiment still stands in the short term bullish, I mean for intraday trading, which makes me think that when this will be trading out of this level for some time after some consolidation, it could keep going higher, slightly higher on the gold market. It's really possible. And from that standpoint, let's keep watching. So if you have taken the short position, that's absolutely normal. It's okay, because take a look from the levels that we have specified. Some bounce was more or less significant. It's around, well, $10 per contract, and you could move up to the break-even and see just what will happen. Just keep watching. So if you will see that the consolidation become longer, this market just standing around the resistance level and will not show any deeper downside action, it will take the clear sign that market is preparing to challenge the 1923 resistance, so intends to break it. And even based on this performance that you can see with these hand and shoulders that we have traded previously, this rally especially, of course we could suggest that this sentiment is positive and overall momentum stands in favor of the bulls. So it means that if you have taken the shorts, move stops the break-even and see what will happen. Because indeed, as I see signs of some, well, that market doesn't want to show any significant downside action. You can see the performance of the market here, long tails, very choppy action. This is usually not the way how more or less significant retracement starts. So it more looks like the consolidation under strong resistance for making challenge later. Not necessarily it will happen today, but somewhere in the beginning of the next week, is overall news background will not change for a gold market. It's really could happen that market could show this strong upward action. So we will see. That's why I wouldn't consider taking the new short positions today, because some reaction already starts, and would not know what will happen after that, because market, as I said, stands relatively stable. For a long entry, well, personally for me, guys, it's a bit lack of the context. So I prefer to get something more. So maybe if the signs of the bullish dynamic pressure will become more evident in the beginning next week, or maybe some market will form some bullish pattern here, we could consider this. But for now, it's a bit not quite enough background for taking a long position right now. So it's just my personal opinion.